Welcome to Raydar. Click Connect and select Bitget from the list. Name your account, for example, Bitget account. Now switch to Bitget. Hover over the profile icon and click on API keys. Click plus Create API key and choose System Generated API key. Enter Raydar app in the note field and create a secure password in the passphrase field. In permissions, make sure to select Read Only. Check orders and holdings for futures, and trade for spot. Then click Next. Enter your security codes and click Confirm. First, copy the API key and paste it into Raydar. Then copy the secret key and paste it into the corresponding field. Attention here, enter the passphrase you just created into the password field on Raydar. Accept the privacy agreement and click Connect. Congratulations, your Bitget account is successfully connected.